how to share Google Forms link in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to share your Google Forms. First things first, go to your Google Chrome, head over to the Google Forms, make sure that you have already published it, and then tap on the send icon on the top right, and there go to the link option, and then you can choose to shorten link and then hit copy. Now open up your WhatsApp and then go to the chat where you want to send the form link, and then just control V and hit paste and then hit enter. So there you go, you have sent the form of Google links in WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.